Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel, Simple Collector 75. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing my first ever unboxing video of this model that I just got recently. If you're new to my channel, basically I showcase most of my personal collection of 1/18 scale car models, die cast, and quite a few resin models as well. As you can see behind me, I have quite a few collection, and I have already uploaded some videos on my channel, so make sure you go check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hitting that notification button as well. But today is going to be an unboxing video, and like I said, it's my first time ever, so bear with me. I've never done this before. I'm gonna try and do it right for you guys. So basically, I got this model a couple of weeks ago. It's not actually a brand new model, but it's an open box. This still has some straps on it, and I can tell you it's an old classic diecast from Autoart. As you know, Autoart are switching from diecast to composite models. Don't get me wrong, I still love Autoart, but diecast models are still the best ones from them. So let's get started, see what it is. All right. Okay. I can tell you right now that I'm a big JDM fan also, so this is for sure a JDM model. Okay, there you go. Like I said, it's not a brand new model, but when I saw this on eBay, it's still unopened. And right here you go. Take this box away. There you go. Check it out. Right there. It's an R34 Nissan Skyline V-SPEC from Autoart. As you can see, the box are already a little bit deformed from storage, but as you can see, it still has the straps on them. The straps in the middle too. So basically, it's still brand new, but it's in an unopened box. And yeah, quite happy when I saw this one because I don't have a V-SPEC model yet. And if you can check out my channel, I have already uploaded a video. I have the R34 Z2 Nismo as well. So having this in a, I don't know if it's Bayside blue, but it's also blue, R34. So yeah, quite happy about it. Yeah, looks nice. So I'm gonna try and open this, take out all the straps and unscrew it, and yeah, we'll take a look at it. There she is, guys, the Nissan Skyline R34 V-SPEC by Autoart in diecast for sure. And I say that because I know that Autoart is gonna be releasing a R34 again. I'm not sure if it's a V-SPEC, but they're going to be releasing it in a composite model instead of diecast. So that's going to be interesting to see. For sure, details wise, going to be a lot different from this one. There's going to be more details on it, but one thing's for sure, it's not going to be as heavy as this because it's going to be made 90% of plastic and just a die cast based on it. But for me, I am very happy that I grabbed this one on eBay, and I got it for a fair price. I got it for $200 Canadian, so that's roughly around 150 US dollars. So that's not bad considering that all of Autoart's old diecast models are going through the roof right now in prices, doubling, tripling, because of them becoming more rare. Because I don't think Autoart is gonna be going back making diecast models. So yeah, I'm so glad I got this one. And let's just take a look around, see that everything is in order. This is not gonna be a review, guys. This is just a walk around through it. Make sure that everything's legit and there's no problem. Let's just open the hood. Okay, does it stay up? Yes, it does. There you go. Nice detailing, of course. And I don't think it has the rod that keeps the hood up. Not like the one in the Nismo Z-Tune that I have. It has that little rod that you can put up to hold this up. But this one holds up by itself, so that's okay. And I also noticed that the grill is not a real mesh like the one in the Nismo. And the badge itself is a decal or a sticker. On the Nismo, it's more like a small metal badge. But this one has the Skyline plate on it, so that's good. The headlights seems to be the same. It's nice and clear. Okay, let's close this up. And let's check the front. It has that black plastic front splitter with air ducts on it. For the Nismo one, it has a carbon fiber effect on it, but this one's just mainly black, so that's okay. For the wheels, yes, it turns and the disc goes through the caliper, which I love about Autoart, the way they make these. And it has this nice side marker light, and the paint is pretty good on this one. Let's go check inside. Here it's all gray. There's no two-tone. Well, it's a little bit of two-tone there, light gray, dark gray. And it has the carpet texture here, so that's a nice touch always from Autoart. And the detailing is pretty good inside. Very nice. So let's close this up. And let's check the rear. And for the rear, yes, you have the GTR badge again, Nissan logo, and you got the Skyline plate, and you have these twin exhaust at the back, and of course can't forget those signature tail lights from a GTR. And when you open it up, okay, so this one doesn't stay up, but that's a given for a old diecast like this, especially if it's heavy, so it's not gonna stay up. But there goes the trunk, also carpet texture on it. Okay, let's close that up. And it has this rear wiper, and you can see from the inside more carpet like texture. And for the wing itself, it also has a black plastic here that's supposed to be a carbon fiber. On the Z-Tune, it has the carbon fiber texture on it. That's not bad. So yeah, overall I'm happy with it. Everything seems to be intact, and when I got it, it still had the straps on it, so I can say it's fairly new. It was just in the storage, and I don't know, you can see that has a lot of dust on it. This may be on the storage, so this one's gonna need a little bit of TLC. And for future videos, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean my die cast and detailing them, making them more shiny. So I'm gonna be doing a video on this model, on how I clean them and how I do some waxing on them. Okay, it's just to make a quick comparison to the Z2 right here. You can see the difference already on the color. So this is a base side blue, and not sure what's the shade of this blue, but it's a bit more darker, and this is more a vivid color blue from the Z2. But on a quick glance, there are a lot of similarities with the headlights and everything. So yeah, there you go, guys. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my first unboxing with this Skyline R34 V-SPEC. And I'm hoping that I'm gonna have more unboxing videos in the future, and hopefully I could find some more good deals with the old Autoart diecast models. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And cheers, stay safe, bye.